Venus flytrap from Jill's Carnivorous Plants, which you can buy on Amazon. And it came way earlier than I thought it would, like all my plants seem to do. So I am not prepared to do a video for it, but I still want to show you what it looks like and what the unboxing is so that I can actually get this guy out and get him on our porch, because there are so many cluster flies coming and mosquitoes, and we need this. I got the large order, so, but you can see large is not giant because it's, you know, a carnivorous plant. So let's unbox it and see how it looks. I'm trying to go very gently so that I don't actually hit the plant. Okay. Go. All right, let's see where my guy is. Here. Wafers. Probably shouldn't have done this on my couch, but here is my guy. Look how beautiful. And it's a live plant. Oh my God, look how beautiful it is. Let me get it out of the plastic, right? Hold on. Okay, here we go. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? This is actually the second time I've bought from Joel's Carnivorous Plants. The first time I had gotten 2 of these small plants, I think, and they had done extremely well. Unfortunately, they did not survive the winter, even though I had them inside, but that's okay. So I got this big guy this time to see how that goes, and he is just gorgeous. Look at all the pink. Oh, they are just ready for some nom-noms. I can't believe I just said that. But all right, I'm gonna go set him outside, and if you think of a name for him, let me know. I have to think of a new name for this guy. But this is from Joel's Carnivorous Plants, which you can get on Amazon, and it came super fast, and it is gorgeous. Again, this is the large size. I will leave my affiliate link in the comments below. I will leave my affiliate link in the description below so that you can pick one up too. See you guys next week.